Well, hello, and welcome. I am excited that I get to share with you one of my favorite regulation tools. I've had so much success in using EFT tapping for myself personally and in the work I do. So I wanted to bring it to the curable community. EFT tapping stands for Emotional Freedom Technique and is a well-known body-based, mind-body-based technique. And so we are going to use EFT tapping to target the fear of the symptoms and calming the pain fear cycle as you are learning to care for yourself. Because what we do know is that when pain emerges, the fear of the pain and the fear of the symptoms can actually worsen the symptoms and the pain that we feel. And it is my hope that as we are working with the fear that surrounds symptoms, the anticipation of it, the hypervigilance of it, the loop that keeps the body activated in a loop of distress, that you recognize with me that this is not about us fixing anything. We are not here to fix you. We are not here to fix your body. We are here to provide care to your body, to you, hoping that your nervous system will start to feel so safe that it starts to shift out of this chronic state of surviving and suffering and give you some ease. And so just briefly, the tapping points, the first spot is going to be here like a karate chop in the middle of your hand. You could start tapping with me. And then I like to add in breath work. So I'm inviting you to sigh. Let me move my camera forward a little bit more. Just sigh. And we're going to start tapping karate chop. The next tapping point is going to be the eyebrows, the beginning of the eyebrows. Just before we get into the script. Then the side of the eyebrows. Some people call it the temple. Then under the eyes. Under the nose. Then the chin. The collarbones. Then we're going to tap underarm literally. Or some people prefer to rub, right? Then the next spot is we're going to do the top of the head. So I'm going to guide you through this process. And again, I'm going to be adding breath work in between. And the only thing you're repeating after me is the prompt, the guiding prompt. When I say breathe, all you need to do is just breathe. So we're going to be curious together, and I'm excited to see what happens. And tune into the part of you that is open. And let's start together. Remember, we're just offering care to your body together. So your body knows it's not the enemy. You just want it to be an ally. And we're working on the fear. And so here we go, repeating after me. Even though my body feels unpredictable at times, I deeply and completely accept myself. And take a breath. And blow out like you're blowing through a straw when breathing. And repeat after me, even though I'm afraid of what these symptoms mean, I'm open to feeling safe right now. And sigh. Even though this fear shows up automatically, my body is trying to protect me. And take a breath. Blow out like you're blowing in through a straw. We're going to repeat that one more time. Even though my body feels unpredictable sometimes, I deeply and completely accept myself. even though I'm afraid of what these symptoms mean. I'm open to feeling safe right now. And sigh, even though this fear shows up automatically. My body is trying to protect me. And sigh. And now we're going to shift a little. Eyebrows. This fear in my body. Take a breath. Side of the eyes. This fear of symptoms. Under the eyes. What if something is wrong? Under the nose. What if this never goes away? Take a breath. Now your chin. My body feels unsafe. Sigh. Now collarbone. I keep scanning for symptoms. Now under your arm. I'm always on alert. Take a deep breath. And top of the head. My nervous system feels overwhelmed. Take a breath. And I'm going to pause. And I'm going to recommend that you all just take a minute to just check in briefly before we continue. Just with curiosity, just notice what you notice before we move on. And then take a breath. And let's start again. This round, we're going to name the pain fear cycle. We're going to name it specifically. Even though pain and fear seem connected, I'm open to understanding this differently. And sigh. Even though my brain is trying to protect me with these signals, I don't have to stay stuck. And sigh. Even though this cycle feels so real and intense, I'm willing to soften and take a deep breath. And releasing. Now we're going to repeat it again. Even though pain and fear seem connected, I'm open to understanding this differently. Even though my brain is trying to protect me with these signals, I don't have to stay stuck. Sigh. Even though this cycle feels real and intense, I'm willing to soften it. And take a deep breath and blow out like you're blowing into a straw. Now we're shifting to the eyebrows. This pain-fear loop. Now side of the eyes. Pain creates fear. Under the eyes. Pain creates more pain. And take a deep breath. Under the nose. My body is stuck in this pattern. And sigh. Chin. My brain thinks I'm in danger. Collarbones. My brain thinks I'm in danger even when I'm not. And take a deep breath. Under the arms. This learned response in my body. And sigh. Again, it's under the arm. And top of the head. My nervous system's just trying to protect me. And take a deep breath. And blow out like you're blowing in through a straw. And we're going to keep going. Round 3. Now we're going to help the body to create some safety for the body together. Even though my body feels unsafe at times, I am safe in this moment. Even though my brain sends danger signals, I can gently retrain it. And take a deep breath. Even though this has been my pattern, I can begin to shift. And sigh. Even though my body feels unsafe at times, I am safe in this moment. Take a breath. Even though my brain sends danger signals, I can gently retrain it. And sigh. Even though this has been my pattern, I can begin to shift. And take a deep breath and blow it out. Now we're going to the eyebrows. Maybe I can feel a little safer. Side of the eyes. In this moment, right now. Take a breath. Under the eyes. I am here. Under the nose. I am breathing. Chin. My body can settle. Collarbones. Even just a little. And take a breath. Underarm. I don't have to fight my body. Sigh. Top of the head. I can support my body. Take a deep breath. And now I'm inviting you, as we're going back in for this round, to remember that we're just providing care for your body together. So your body knows that you're not the enemy and you don't think it's the enemy. We're just providing care and allowing your body to recognize that you're in support of what it needs to do so that it can bring you relief. It can protect you, even if it doesn't feel good, even if you don't like it. So in this round, we're releasing the fear and we're reframing sensations. So with the karate chops, even though I feared these sensations, I'm open to seeing them differently. And sigh. Even though my body reacts strongly, it doesn't mean I'm in danger. And take a breath. Even though this is uncomfortable, it's not unsafe. And have a breath. Even though, so we're repeating one more time, I've feared these sensations, I'm open to seeing them differently. Even though my body reacts strongly, it doesn't mean I'm in danger. Even though this is uncomfortable, it's not unsafe. Now we're going to the eyebrows. These sensations are temporary. Side of the eyes, my body's communicating. It's not harming me. Take a deep breath. Under the eyes. I don't have to be afraid of this. My body just needs my care. Take a breath. Under the nose. I can observe without reacting. Sigh. Chin. I can feel without panicking. Sigh. Collarbone. My body can calm down. Now under the arms. My nervous system can reset. And top of the head. I'm learning a new response. And take a deep breath. And we're going to keep going. Last round. Even though I've struggled with this cycle, I'm building trust with my body. Even though fear has been loud, safety can grow stronger. Even though this takes practice, I am capable of change. And sigh. Eyebrows. I'm teaching my brain I am safe. Take a breath. Side of the eyes. I can respond differently. Under the eyes. I don't have to spiral. Sigh. Under the nose. I can slow this down. Chin. I can trust my body more and more. Take a breath. Collarbone. My body knows how to regulate. Sigh. Arm. My body just needs my support to use its wisdom. Sigh. We're staying under the arm. I'm supporting my healing. Take a breath. And top of the head. I am safe in my body. And release. So that was the last round of it, and I'm just checking in before we wind down. What do you notice? How are you landing? How is your body responding? And if all you're walking away with today was the fact that you get to touch and care for parts of your body that we got to do that together, I am grateful. I am grateful that you showed up for you today with me. And I am grateful that you allowed me to support you. And with that said, be kind to yourself, be good to yourselves until the next time we meet. Continue to tap. It was an honor and a pleasure.